Hello, good afternoon campers. Sorry the class is a bit late today. Welcome to Home Economics Thursday, and today we're going to be doing some baking, okay? We're going to make a microwave cake, Rocky Road actually. So if you'd like to continue, let's have a look at how to do it. Today we're going to be making microwave cakes, mug cakes, and we're going to need some olive oil, some cocoa powder, some brown sugar, some self-raising flour, some milk, I'm using vegetarian milk, some vanilla, some dates, some chocolate, again I'm using vegan chocolate. These are also vegan marshmallows and biscuits, and some nuts. Again, you can put in your cakes whatever you want, okay? Provided you use these same base ingredients. Again, you can use regular milk, you can use butter, but I don't eat dairy. So we're doing a completely vegan version today. So what we're going to do first is we're going to add the oil into our bowl. And then we're going to start off by adding the cocoa. We're going to mix the cocoa in. Okay, doesn't matter if you get some other bits in too. And we're just going to blend that with the oil. I'm going to use a fork to try and mix it in well. As you can see, it's creating like a syrup. Okay, if you use butter, remember to warm your butter in the microwave first. Okay, so that it's a liquid. Okay, so we'll now add the sugar. Let's put the sugar in. And we're going to mix this in, again using our fork. Okay. Really stir it. Again, if you want to use white sugar, that's fine, caster sugar. I like to use brown sugar because it's a little bit more healthy. Again, just mix that all in. Okay. And then we're going to mix in our flour. Okay, and that's all of the base for our cake. Okay. Okay, we're going to stir that all in nicely. We're also going to add a little bit of vanilla, I say about a capful is how I tend to measure it. You can use a teaspoon if you want to use a teaspoon. So about a capful would do. And as you can see, our mixture is actually looking quite dry. So this is where we need to add the milk. Okay, so we're just going to add a little bit of milk just to try and get more of a cake type consistency. So put a little bit in. Okay, and we're going to carry on mixing that. Again, use your fork so it mixes well. And as you can see, we're starting to get more of a cake type consistency now. That's it. That's looking better, isn't it? Okay, and again, mixing it with our fork. Okay, to break up any lumps as we're going. Okay, I think my mixture still looks a little bit dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more milk to mine. Again, you see what yours looks like and you decide if you want to add a bit more. It also depends on how many other ingredients you're going to add, as to how thick it's going to be. Okay, so let's mix this together. Okay, and that's it. That's looking much better, isn't it? So now what we're going to do, okay, I get all that liquid mixed in, is that really does look like a normal cake mix now, doesn't it? Okay, and very easy as you can see, just with simple ingredients. Again, if you were happy now to put this in the microwave and prepare your cake, that's fine, but I've decided I wanted to add a few extra little bits into mine to make this into a Rocky Road cake. Okay, so let's add some other ingredients. So here's all our extras. Let's give it a good mix and get these bits all nicely mixed in. Wow, that does look like Rocky Road now, doesn't it? Okay, and make sure it's all mixed in nicely. Okay, and get that all nicely covered with your cake mix. So the next thing we want to do is to put it into containers that are okay to go in the microwave. Again, check with your parents first before you put things in the microwave. You have to make sure that it can go in the microwave, because not everything can, and certainly no metal. Okay, metal is never good in microwaves. Okay, so I have got some miniature cake tubs, and I'm going to put this into here. Okay, so in a minute, when they're full, we will carry on. So as you can see, I've not filled them up all the way. This is because when they're in the microwave, they may expand, and I need to give them room to be able to move upwards in the container. So they are only half full. So now what we need to do is we need to put them in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes and on full power, and then let's see how they do. So let's put them in the microwave. Here's my cakes, and they turned out very well. As you can see, we have cake consistency here. They need to have room, as I said, to move up in the container, and they did. When they were cooking, they did expand and they've gone back down again. Mine needed just slightly longer. I had to do mine for 2.5 minutes, but again, see how long yours take. Just watch them as they're cooking. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and good luck. I hope you make some very nice cake. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a fantastic night. Bye bye.